In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox to your computer. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to an internet browser. Now I'd recommend using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you have installed on your system. Then we're just going to head over to the official roblox.com website and then click on login in the top right hand side. Then you'll need to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you're on this Roblox page, go ahead and select any experience. It doesn't matter which one you select. And from here, click on the big green play button. So this will pop up with a window saying download and install Roblox. So click on this button here. And then once that's finished downloading, it will land in your downloads folder in the top right hand side. So just go ahead and open that file up. Then as you can see, that's now installing to our system. So once that's finished installing, you can simply sign in with your account. And then from here, you can go ahead and join any game and begin playing Roblox. Now, if for some reason Roblox isn't downloading or installing via the web version, then what you can do instead is head over to your start menu and search for Microsoft Store. And then click on this Microsoft Store over here. Then using the search box at the top, you're just going to type in Roblox and hit enter. And then from here, select Roblox in the list. Then click on this big get button and just give that a few seconds while it installs to your computer. Once it's finished, you can just click on the big blue play button. And then just like before, you're able to sign in with your account and play Roblox. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download and install Roblox to your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.